Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Batman Arkham City PC. First, connect your controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable, or if your PC has Bluetooth, pair it wirelessly. Once connected, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode. This special interface is designed for controller navigation and will help ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is properly detected and ready for configuration. Next, we'll configure your controller within Steam. From Big Picture mode, go to the Settings menu, then select Controller Settings. Here, you'll find an option to enable PlayStation configuration support. Make sure this box is checked. This allows Steam to properly interpret your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs. You can also calibrate your controller here to ensure all buttons and analog sticks are responding accurately. Now, let's get Batman Arkham City ready. If the game isn't already in your Steam library, add it as a non-Steam game. This is crucial for Steam's controller support to function. Once added, launch Batman Arkham City directly through Steam's Big Picture mode. Upon entering the game, you should observe that the on-screen button prompts have automatically switched to display PlayStation icons, confirming successful controller integration. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both Steam and your personal computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve detection problems. Ensure your Steam client is fully updated and check for any available controller driver updates. If Steam's native support isn't working as expected, a popular alternative is DS4 Windows, a third-party application that can emulate an Xbox 360 controller, offering another reliable solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.